Ang dami nagko-compliment sa skin ko, and ang dami din nagtatanong ko anong skincare yung ginagamit ko. Secret ko dyan is every first week of the month is gumagamit ako ng Brilliant Skin Rejuvenating Set. Because there are times that I break out. Every time nag-breakout ako, nire-rejuve ko lang yun. Ginagamit ako ng tretinoin, tapos parang ilang days pa lang, hindi nga 7 days eh, mawawala na yung breakouts ko. Also, ang ganda ng effect niya sa skin ko, wala akong kahit anong makeup, pero tingnan nyo. Grabe, ang glowy ng effect niya. And also, don't forget to wear your sunscreen kasi magiging super sensitive yung skin. I don't rejuvenate my face regularly. Yung ginagawa ko, every time magsisimula yung bagong month, first week of the month, mga 7 days, dun ako nagre-rejuve, and then after that, I go back to my regular skincare. Kakahilamos ko lang ng mukha, gamit ko yung Brilliant Skin na kojic acid soap sa face ko, and then after that, magto-toner na tayo. So this is a step-by-step on how to do my nighttime skincare routine with Brilliant Skin. I'm just gonna use 3 to 4 drops ng tretinoin toner ng Brilliant Skin, and I'm gonna use a cotton pad. I'll lightly rub this all over my face. Focus ako sa cheek area since nandiyan yung mga breakouts ko. And then after that, I'm gonna use the tretinoin topical cream. Then I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Apply ko na siya, and then I can finally rest. I'm gonna do the same thing with my morning routine. I-wash ko rin yung face ko with the kojic acid soap ng Brilliant Skin, and then after that, I'm gonna apply my sunscreen. As you can see, hindi na ako nag-apply ng toner and ng topical cream kasi panggabi lang siya. Ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat is to apply sunscreen. So your skin is gonna be super sensitive when it's exposed to the sun. Mahapdi siya. So this is what my skin looks like now. This is my skin 5 days before, and this is my skin now.